Hey guys, welcome back. This week I am caking a half birthday cake. I started with the crown because I knew I needed that to dry in time to finish my cake. What I did was mix a crap ton of CMC powder in with some pale pink or like a blush pink fondant. I pretty much freestyled this crown. I didn't really have a plan. I just knew I wanted it to be pretty. So sit back and watch me make it pretty. Yes, you saw that correctly. That is a Bath and Body Works candle, okay, that I turned into a cake decorating apparatus. We all know as cake decorators that you need to be very resourceful, and this is the only thing that I had that was the size of the crown that I needed. So I wrapped it in some plastic wrap to make it food safe and used it for my crown. I used two molds for this crown. One was the Wilton jewelry mold, I believe. I will link both of them in the description box below, along with my other tools and supplies. I baked two 9-inch funfetti cakes, cut those cakes in half, and those were the 4 layers of my half birthday cake. I am using American buttercream for this cake, and all my cakes I always use American buttercream to decorate because it's a great crusting frosting for, especially for fondant cakes like this one. I will leave a link to the recipe and how to whip it up here. Check it out. Let me know what you think. In order to get a nice clean edge, after I apply my fondant, I pop the cake in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, which allows that fondant to firm up. You get a much cleaner cut. If you would like to see a more detailed video on paneling cakes, I will leave it here. Let me tell you, I have been wanting to make a half birthday cake since I started decorating cakes. But nobody ever orders a half birthday cake. So when I got the order for this cake, for this beautiful, beautiful 1-year-old, I was super excited. And I'm so glad that her mom decided to celebrate her half birthday like on Alice in Wonderland, and I got to knock a cake off of my cake bucket list. So they got me to thinking, what cakes are on your cake bucket list? Or let me know if you've already made a cake on your cake bucket list. Comment under this video, let me know what ideas you guys have, and I'll add them to my list because this honestly was the only one. I need some help. To write this young lady's name, I used the Sweet Stamps Elegant set. I really love Sweet Stamps because the fonts are so awesome. Like, this elegant font was so elegant. It was perfect for the cake. To paint these letters, I use 2 sizes of fine tipped paintbrushes. So you'll see me using the bigger one here to get the broader strokes of the script font, and then I'll take an even more fine paintbrush to get in the grooves of the finer strokes of the script font. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, you got to watch one of my cake dreams come true. I got to cake a half birthday cake. If you loved it as much as I did, go ahead and hit the like button. If you didn't, keep it to yourself, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.